Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word modified. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She modified her recipe by adding more spices for extra flavor. Modified means to change or adjust something, often to improve it or suit a specific purpose. It can involve making alterations, additions, or substitutions. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.